If you are running npm commands like npm install or any other npm command, and you get an error like this that says npm is not recognized, now it can be due to one of these two reasons. The first is you don't have Node.js and npm installed. Now, if you are sure you have installed npm and Node, we will see how we can fix this shortly. But if you don't have Node.js or npm installed, you can go ahead to this URL. I'll have this in the description below, and download and install Node.js. If you want to see in detail how to do it step by step, check my link in the description below that shows how you can download and install Node.js and npm. If you are sure you have downloaded Node and npm, but still you are getting that error, to fix it, we need to add the Node.js installation path to our environment variable so that our command prompt can know where to run the npm commands from. Okay, so go to your installation directory. By default, it is inside the C drive, inside program files, inside the Node.js folder, and click here on the address bar and just copy the path, that is C program files / Node.js. Now press your Windows key and type environment variables, and you will see edit the system environment variables. Click on it, click on environment variables. Here you will see user variable and system variables. If you want npm accessible to all the users, you need to add this path to this path variable inside system variables. If you want this just to be available to your user, add it in this path. Okay, so choose your path in user variable or system variable, and then click on edit, and at the bottom row, double click and paste your path of Node.js installation. Click OK, click OK again, click OK, and now open your command prompt again and enter your npm command. This time, as you can see, there is no error and you have successfully executed the npm command. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.